it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a little DIY. As you guys probably have seen, I got married recently and I DIY'd the whole wedding. And I also DIY'd my own wedding bouquet. So I was trying to think of what to do with my wedding bouquet because I didn't want to just throw it away. So I was on Pinterest looking at different ideas. And I came across this idea where you buy a shadow box. You basically put your bouquet in there. And I've seen different ideas where they put pictures in there too. So I thought I would try that out today. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it seems like it would be easy to do. So to start off, I went to Hobby Lobby, or actually the first thing I did was that I printed some pictures at Walgreens. The second thing I did was that I went to Hobby Lobby to look for the shadow box. So this is the shadow box that I got. As you can see, it's pretty big. This one is 11 by 14. So I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there's a lot of room in there. So I'm just going to try and make all the flowers fit in here. And I think I'm going to put two pictures, maybe one picture up here in this corner and another picture here. And then put the flowers in between. The ideas that I normally saw on Pinterest were to have one picture in the middle and then surrounded by the flowers. But I think I'm going to try to do one picture up here and one down here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like a wood shadow box. So it was a little more pricey. They had a lot of different shadow boxes. I'll show you guys a clip right here that I recorded. They have a lot of different colors. And for the black one, they did have a more sleek black color. But I decided to just go with the one that looks like wood. This one was a little more expensive. This one was $39.99. I don't know if you guys know, but Hobby Lobby always has a 40% off coupon online. You can literally just go on the website and click coupon and it'll be right there. I just used the coupon and I think it came up to like $33 or $34 around, not 33, 23 or $24. So I don't think it was that bad for this shadow box that's so big. And then obviously third thing you need is your wedding bouquet. So this is how mine is looking so far. Obviously it's all dried up. And so I did this I think 2 weeks ago now. So I've just been having it sitting there drying. I don't have water in the vase. Hopefully it comes out good. I have no idea how to do it, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. So hopefully it comes out good. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and open this. Okay, so I'm gonna use tweezers to open all these. Okay, so it just comes with this paper on it, pinned. So that's pretty cool. It comes with pins already. I don't think I'll need them, but that's good to know. Just gonna take those off. Okay, and then the back is like a velvet type of material. Flowers, I'm just gonna go and basically just cut off and just keep like all the actual rows and not keep the stems. Except for the eucalyptus, I'm gonna keep the whole thing and just try to fit it in there.